feet up against the wall. You're going to step back, back,
Like
together.
Like a kicker. Like a
Okay.
step.
And then you're going to put your head against the wall. You're going to bring the chair in. You got to lift it all the way to your chest.
You're telling me that a
And then
guy,
up.
dude can't do that.
Yes.
Feels like I'm getting discriminated against.
Go ahead, Ben.
All right.
Both feet against the wall. Put one foot behind.
Doesn't matter what foot.
It doesn't matter. Now the next foot behind.
All right.
Now together.
Okay.
Now go ahead, put your head on the wall.
All right. My hair is going to be destroyed.
We're going to bring this in right there for you, okay? You got to lift it to your chest, all the way up to your chest, and then stand up. Stand up, Ben. Ben, stand up.
I'm just. You want me to stand up from here?
I need you to stand up. Come on. Come on, Ben.
I want to see another dude. Get in here, another dude.
Back touching the back. Okay,
One.
yep. Next foot.
Bill
Two.
can already step backwards.
Now
Okay.
together.
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 There you
Now
go.
lean forward. And
Lean
put
forward, put your head
against
on the wall.
And mess up his hair too.
Okay, I'm going to bring this chair in. Now you're going to lift it all the way up to your chest and stand up.
Bill, the
All the way up to your chest and
no,
stand
no, no,
up.
grab the bottom part. Grab the bottom part. Right
be able
there.
to drive that
There you go.
like this?
Yeah, now
so
stand up.
Well, you can't.
Bill, stand up. Stand up. They got their filming us, Bill. You can't do it!
And then you're going to put them together.
Okay.
And you
Head
try to touch
forward.
the wall?
Now you got to pull the chair under you.
Okay.
Okay, and grab it from like the bottom part of it.
Okay. Pull the
And you
chair
gotta
to your
pull it up to your
chest.
chest.
Okay.
And then stand up.
Okay.
That's not hard.
Okay. Austin.
Austin, did you see what she did?
I think I saw.
Okay.
Okay.
So put
Okay.
both
Chris,
feet
hold
against
on.
the wall.
Chris, come here.
Step back 1 foot, touching. Yep. And one more foot, and then together.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're gonna lean forward and put your head on the wall. Okay. I'm gonna put this under here. You're gonna grab and
Straighten your legs.
all
Straighten your
the way to
legs. There you go.
chest, And then stand up.
Can't do it.
No.
Especially for a guy, because all your weight is above your weight.
Oh, come on. We got more up there than you
Just because you have breasts does not mean your weight is not lower.
All this hair.
Yeah. I don't know.
That's
Okay, Austin can't do it. Can't do it.
I think he has a shorter torso.
one more.
Yeah.
One more.
Now
Now
put
put
your
them
feet
together. But you do have
Now
a
put your
really
head-
long
your
torso.
Feet stay together. Put your head against the wall. We're gonna slide this in. Grab the bottom up to your chest and stand up.
I can't.
Stand up, Brent.
It's just like I didn't even like know
can't do
what
it.
muscles like help.
Okay.
Okay,
What?
Jen.
All right, Jen.
What muscle
Come on,
is it?
come
that
try
I can't,
it.
I can't do that.
You saw
I
how
don't
I
know.
did it, right?
Something that men,
I don't know.
I can't do it.
But Selena has a hard time doing it too,
you
but she
can't
has a
do
really
the
long
thing.
torso.
So together, yep.
Fall over.
So what
One,
is that?
If you come
two,
away from
now
the
together.
wall, you lose
Just
all
stay
your
together.
power.
Put your head against the wall.
It can be done.
Okay. I'm gonna put this in under here. You're gonna grab down around here, lift it to your chest, and stand up.
Yep.
It's such a joke.
And you can't do that?
She
No,
can't do
I
it.
can't.
You can't do it.
When
The
we
second,
slide
does
this
Grady have
under-
small feet?
Yes, he
Uh,
does.
my
Like an elf.
You're so
Okay,
small.
Grady
and
can
you're
do
gonna
it.
grab here, lift it up to your chest, and then stand up.
Small feet.
Get down.
This is what I'm doing?
Wait. Hold the bottom of the chair.
Well, if it didn't open,
Oh.
you want me to stand up?
No. Yeah. No, turn the chair and hold on the seat part.
Why is she so needy?
I'm not needy.
Right here.
Just trying to
yes.
help you
Now
out.
up to your chest and stand up.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Go ahead, Grady. I have a theory.
What's the theory?
We're
Okay,
we
so
have
both feet
we have a
up
working
to the wall.
theory.
I know.
You're gonna step back with one foot to the
Are
wall.
we
so
just
step
recording?
back.
Yeah.
No. Two. Back to back.
I gotta figure out a way to edit it. Yeah.
Go like
Use
this. One.
slice.
Now step back
Slice.
one more.
I would
Yeah.
stop and start.
Now come together.
I have stopped
Put your
and
other
start
foot
a whole
beside that
bunch.
one. Okay. Now lean over and put your head against the wall.
Okay.
It's already.
Now you're gonna lift this from the
Down
bottom up to
farther.
your chest, and you're gonna stand up. Now stand up. Ah!
So go 1, 2. Now step together.
Okay.
Okay.
Back up a little.
Put your head against the wall.
Okay.
Pull the chair over so it's in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. Now grab the chair side, not the top. Grab down by the seat. Okay. Now pull it to your chest.
Okay.
Now stand up. Now stand up.
It's really heavy.
Stand up.
I took a little bit of a step forward.